this way. Your steam train, I want to thank you for riding trip for the $2 Singalong steam train. You guys sounded beautiful. At this time, we are rolling in the back into the depot, so make sure we stay seated till I give you the all clear. If we make sure to grab all of our trash, all of our relatives, even our trashy relatives, if you don't want them, we surely don't want them either. So there's just mind, this train does like to jerk around a little bit, so make sure we're staying seated. Wait for it. Wait for it.
25 the hour. There you go.
Wait until the station, that's Conductor JR. Say bye, guys. If I hit my record, we'll see them just about 20 to 30 minutes. If you heard me right, yes, I can say this is a sing-along steam train. So we're going to start this off with a holly jolly Christmas. Make sure we sing through the entire park to hear us. Jingle This is Conductor Clay on the back of your steam train. I'll be following you around. Wait for the sound of the station. That's Anna. Everyone say bye, Anna. Oh, yeah, we're going to be seeing her in about 20 minutes or so. I want to be the first to welcome you on the Frisco $1 sing-along steam train. And yes, folks, I did say sing-along. So we're going to start this. Your steam train, I want to thank you for riding trip for the $2 steam train. You guys sounded beautiful. At this time, we are rolling in the back into the depot, so make sure we stay seated till I give you the all clear. If we make sure to grab all of our trash, all of our relatives, even our trashy relatives, if you don't want them, we surely don't want them either. So So there's just this train does like to jerk around a little bit, so make sure we're staying seated. Wait for it. Wait for it. More jollier. Or if you left clean on the back of your steam train today, I'll be following you around. Waiting down the station. That's Anna. I want to say bye, Anna. We'll be seeing her in about 20 minutes or so. Well, what's going on? First one to welcome you on the Frisco $silver Singalong steam train. And so, yes, folks, I did say sing-along. So we're going to start this off with a holly jolly Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hello to Merry Christmas. Call to Merry Christmas. Hey guys, we're going back in the depot, so please make sure you grab all your belongings. Wait. Wait. Hold on. Now, folks, I'd like to welcome you guys to the Frisco $silver Singalong steam train. That's right, guys. This is a sing-along train, so I need you to sing along, especially to Holly Jolly Christmas.
5, 4,